What's up guys, Meredith with Extreme Terrain, and today we're checking out the Red Rock in-channel window deflectors fitting all 2018 and newer 4-door JL Wranglers. Now this kit's going to be great for the JL owner looking for a functional way to get fresh air into their Jeep while keeping all the rain, dust, or kick-up out no matter where you are daily driving or kicking up dirt on the trail. These are also just a little nice stylish touch if you like that window deflector look and want an easy and very sleek way to achieve it. Now the biggest feature here is that this set is going to have an in-channel design which offers a very clean and subtle appearance to the side, in addition to not having to use any adhesive on the outer part of your door frame. Now along with allowing the fresh air into the cab when the windows are most of the way up, this smoked finish here is also going to provide a nice tint to avoid any harshness of the sun while having full visibility out of your window. As you can see, this comes with all 4 in the kit and will have an injection molded acrylic plastic construction. The acrylic material is perfect for this, offering good flexibility to pop them into the window channel and coexist with the window itself, but also it's going to be tough enough to hold up to the elements over time. Now while this kit does not come with any hardware, these will come with some adhesive around the top of the deflector just to keep it in place and prevent any movement. Now this kit is going to be around $120, which is pretty on par for other kits like it. Now in-channel deflectors are usually a bit more of a premium option compared to the over window or door frame deflectors because they are a bit more detailed in their design. Now overall, I think if you are looking for a premium set of deflectors that are going to function well and look incredibly sleek while doing it, then this is going to be a fantastic choice. Install here is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should only take you about 45 minutes to get all 4 of these fitted up. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers here has actually installed this on their JL and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Today we're going to be installing Red Rock's window deflectors. We're going to start by cleaning the window tracks with some alcohol and using a microfiber towel. Now that the tracks are clean, we're going to start installing the rear window first. First, you're going to have to install it starting on the flat portion at the rear. And then we're going to pivot it in the front, pushing it up. Make sure when you insert it, you're pushing inwards so that the double-sided stick tape doesn't stick to the window seal. To get it all up, push all the way up firmly, and then pull it out so it will stick to the window track. After that, you're going to have to roll your window up. And be careful, because there's an interference area right here on the corner. Make sure you push the window deflector out so it doesn't make contact with your window glass. Now we're going to move on to the front. We're going to use the same method that we use on the rear by starting on the rear portion of the window. You have to push firmly all the way up, and then you're gonna have to flex it on this front corner right here. Once you get it all the way in, you're gonna have to pull it out and make sure the double-sided stick tape stick to the track. Now it's time to roll the windows up. And there you have it. That's how we install the Red Rocks window deflectors.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of these Red Rock in-channel window deflectors fitting all 2018 and newer 4-door JL Wranglers. And remember, for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.